You will get to know the 16 money habits of millionaires that you should adopt too. The 15th and 16th habits are really unknown to many, so watch this video till the end to know them. Now let's start. Number 1. Ensuring financial resources are utilized wisely, remaining inactive. Creating genuine wealth involves actively managing your finances rather than letting your money remain stagnant. We often hear affluent individuals discussing their experiences with being cash broke. Could this indicate financial difficulties? Negative response. It indicates that they avoid leaving substantial amounts of money inactive and unutilized. It's the principle of cash inflow and outflow. To achieve the financial success of truly wealthy individuals, it's essential that your money is consistently working for you. Number 2. Concentrating on the essential information rather than the distractions. Wealthy families prioritize a comprehensive perspective on their personal balance sheet. They prioritize a consistent growth in total net worth each year, avoiding excessive attention to the finer points. They employ experienced experts who meticulously analyze the finer points and are capable of conducting in-depth investigations when necessary. Focusing on the essential indicators rather than distractions is crucial for making informed decisions. Stay subscribed to our channel and also press the like button to know more money habits of millionaires. Number 3. Maintaining expenditures below income levels. My father, who founded a firm in 1959, consistently emphasized this principle. The cornerstone of enduring financial success is to consistently live beneath your means. This particular saying has significantly enhanced the quality of my life, providing greater depth and fulfillment. Number 4. Neglecting interest payments. Avoid incurring interest charges. Many individuals have shared this insight with me throughout the years, and it holds true. When you incur high interest rates over an extended period, you may find yourself paying 2 to 3 times the original price of that hastily acquired item. Acquiring an item discounted by 40% through the use of a store credit card, which carries a 24.99% revolving interest on any outstanding balance, ultimately results in a significantly inflated cost. Mortgage debt stands out as the sole exception. Number 5. Tracking revenue and expenditures. Achieving financial independence relies heavily on the management of cash flow. It is advisable to regularly review your income streams and expenditures. Spending every dollar of your income on personal consumption limits your capacity to accumulate wealth through savings and investment opportunities. It's not about your income, it's about your expenditures. If you could control your expenses, you could get rich even if your income is low. However, having multiple income streams is important. We will talk about it. Keep watching till the end. Number 6. Appreciating the importance of time. If the time you spend cleaning your house holds greater value than the expense of hiring a professional cleaner, consider delegating that task. In the 2 hours spent going to the grocery store, shopping, and returning home, you will have the potential to earn some amount of money while exploring and unlocking some new skills. The expense for outsourcing this task will amount to $X in gratuities. By removing these distractions, you enhance productivity, which in turn increases overall value. Number 7. Establishing life objectives and a financial strategy. Establishing life goals and developing a financial strategy to achieve them is a fundamental practice that holds significant importance. It is essential to maintain focus on this strategy while making daily choices and to consistently evaluate progress towards achieving that strategy and following this plan. Number 8. Leveraging insurance effectively. Individuals with substantial assets utilize insurance in a calculated manner. In contrast to the majority, they employ a broader strategy beyond just insurance to address income replacement throughout their professional lives. Individuals with substantial assets frequently incorporate insurance into their estate planning, tax strategies, or even their family banking approaches. Number 9. Consistently engaging with their financial professionals. One of the most effective practices I've observed among affluent individuals is their tendency to engage in annual meetings, or even more frequently, with their financial advisors to gain a comprehensive understanding of their financial landscape. Accountants, financial professionals, and estate planning experts are the individuals equipped with the financial insights that enable affluent individuals to make informed decisions and gain a clear understanding of their financial situation. Number 10. Comprehending the tax basis and unrealized gains within their investment portfolios. One important practice that many of my high net worth clients engage in is maintaining a clear understanding of their tax basis and unrealized gains within their portfolios at all times. Utilizing opportunities to realize tax losses, provided they fit within your broader investment strategy, is a straightforward method to ensure that your tax liability on capital gains remains as low as possible. Number 11. Adhering to a financial plan. It is essential to begin by mastering the fundamentals, and for a significant number of individuals, this means understanding and adhering to a budget. It can be quite challenging to monitor your monthly expenditures, especially with numerous bills automatically deducted and the declining use of cash, which can diminish your awareness of your spending habits. Review that and identify areas where you can optimize or discover potential savings opportunities. Number 12. Regularly contributing to investments. Individuals with substantial financial resources consistently participate in investment activities. Make it a habit to allocate a sum that aligns with your financial situation. In the realm of investing, establishing habits and maintaining consistency are essential for success. It may be beneficial to set up automatic transfers from your income to your investment account. Begin this practice promptly and consider raising your contributions as your income grows. Select a sum and schedule that you can consistently adhere to over an extended period. Number 13. Setting clear objectives for both the short and long term. Establish achievable financial objectives, regularly evaluate them, and create a strategy to reach those targets. Numerous individuals aspire to retire at age 50 or 60, or save $100,000 amount by age 50, yet without a solid plan or a clear grasp of the practicality of these objectives, it becomes challenging to determine if you are progressing toward their attainment. It is essential for individuals to set both short-term and long-term objectives, monitor their progress, and make necessary adjustments throughout the journey. Number 14. Optimizing financial resources. One personal financial habit of affluent individuals is ensuring that their money is actively working in their favor. In essence, allocate your funds towards investments and entrepreneurial ventures to ensure continuous growth of your capital. Regularly recognize underutilized funds and strategically invest them. Number 15. Gaining expertise in financial matters. Many individuals are unaware that their beliefs regarding various aspects, including finances, influence their behaviors, which ultimately shape their results. It's important to cultivate the appropriate financial skills and foster a continuous passion for financial knowledge. Developing a routine of gaining financial knowledge and skills will enable you to create a life of lasting wealth and retiring early at a young age. Number 16. Making informed decisions. Assess your comfort with risk and feel confident in making informed decisions. This principle is applicable in both business operations and investment strategies. Conducting thorough research and engaging with individuals who can elevate your understanding is crucial for making well-informed decisions. For instance, a professional can assist you in making gradual decisions regarding risks that align with your comfort level. Watch the video appearing on the right side to know the signs that show you are going to upper class. If you possess these signs, you will become rich soon. So watch the video now to know these signs. Also, subscribe to our channel to know more tips on personal finance.